Geez, I'm hungry. Holy heck. Well, that was a big ride. Time to get cooking. Moto Chef 2, guys. Let's get to it. Got some ingredients here. Dirty Steve's with us. Got some beer. What else we got? Oh, we got a beautiful something here. Oh, lucky I'm thirsty. Oh, that's a go. So guys, on the menu today, we're close by the beach, so we're gonna cook beer battered fish and chips. First off, I guess we're gonna have to set our line and catch a fish, aren't we? Righto guys, we've got our bait and tackle all rigged up. Little secret from T-Dub, $50 note. Gonna catch ourselves a whopper for lunch. Let's go set it up. Righto, it's time to set our line, guys. Oh, we're on. We're on. We're on. She's a big one. Check out this ripper, guys. Got ourselves a flathead from the South Atlantic. Ha! It's even made bag limit. Let's unhook him. Step 1. Fillet your fish. There we go. So guys, fish is filleted. We're gonna chuck some flour on it. Get flour everywhere. It's best to get really involved. Get your fist gloves, massage in the flour. Massage the flour through your fish fillets like so. Beautiful. Now the fun part, to add the beer. So the quickest and most effective way to infusing your fish with beer is with an FMF pipe. Okay guys, next step, let's get our chips going. We're gonna let the fish marinate in its beer for a little while. So I like to use a bit of Dirty Steve. We just like to get it all marinated up. Just helps with chopping with the chips. Nice smooth action through there. The ceramic coating in the Dirty Steve helps a lot. Now we just wanna add some milk in there. Get some milk in there, don't eat it. Bit more flour. Right guys, we're gonna chuck this up on the solar panel. We're gonna leave for about 5 to 6 hours. Okay guys, our fish and chips should be ready now. Super hot day. Oh, look at that. Unreal. Let's head down by the beach. Guys, this is just a quick and easy way to make fish and chips. As you've seen, come up spectacular. Let's go and enjoy.